Hello guys again, my name is Andrew and today we have a new unboxing. This is something different. This is from Parkside. The store is little and it only cost 10 euros I think, yes. Well, this is the Parkside Cordless battery adapter model PAA 20A1 and this is a very easy unboxing. Just be careful with that because are a little bit difficult to open all these cases. And okay, easy. Come on now. Okay. Okay, very nice. Inside we are going to find some manuals, etc, etc. It's not something difficult. Let's see some of the specs. Okay, where is it? Here it is. Very nice. We have two USB ports, we have an LED light, and the USB ports are 5 volts, 2 amp maximum. And here is the light, the USB ports. Here is some specs. Oh, here it is. Okay, 5 volt 2 amps, 2 USB ports, 20 volt. It's working of course with the Parkside X20 volt team, and that is the batteries. And let's test it. The indicator, so as we have power, flashlight. Oh, very strong flashlight. Let me close the light and you see better. Here it is. Very nice. For your working conditions, if you want to light something at the place where you are working, in a construction, wherever it is you work. Let's turn it on and let's try now the USB port. I have this iPhone 5. Plug it this and now it will charge. You must push the button when you are connecting in the USB. You must push the button to give some power to your phone, and here it is charging. And then I will try it on a micro USB. Sorry. Same here, is charging. Very good. Well guys, it's very useful this for your construction area. You're somewhere that you don't have enough power for your phone, you don't have electricity, you only have batteries, and you only have this because you're only working with tools that only work with battery. Assuming the X20 volt team from Parkside, if you are a fan of the Parkside tool and you have only Parkside tools. Well, other companies do have something similar like that, and or they have it in the battery, inside in the battery, and you can plug it. Well, that it will be suitable, and this is not something big, it's small. You can put it out just like that in your pocket. It's very small. Slide it again into the battery, push the button, and everything's charged, starting to charge. Guys, thank you again for watching this unboxing, review and testing, and I will do testing how much time needs to charge a smartphone of 2017 or 2018 produced, and I will test it on Samsung Galaxy S7 because those are old phones and they only need 5 volts and 1 ampere. I will test it on Samsung Galaxy S7. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing and review again. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, your choice, but please hit the notification bell because more videos in the future it will come and you don't want to miss it. Because I buy those products for you don't have to buy it and test it and maybe you don't like it and give them back again. Well, thank you again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.